Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to change Facebook account password. To change Facebook account password, first of all, tap open Facebook application in your device. Make sure that you are logged in. Then tap on the menu icon located right beside notification icon. Here, tap on settings icon. Here, tap on account center. Now scroll down and under account settings, tap on password and security. Here, you will see the option to change your password, two-factor authentication, saved logins, and various others as well. We are going to change password, so simply tap on change password. Here, you have to choose an account you want to make changes. Simply tap on the profile. To change your password, you have to enter your current password first. If you have forgotten your current password, simply tap on forgotten your password and then retrieve your account first. Let me enter the current password right here. Once you enter your correct current password, type in your new password. Before you type in your new password, remember your password must be at least 6 characters and should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. Now enter your new password right here. Once you enter your new password, you have to retype your new password as well. Make sure that this password matches with the new password that you just entered. After this, tap on the tick mark. You can also enable logout of other devices by simply tapping on logout of other devices. If not, you can disable it as well by simply tapping on it. And once you do this, tap on change password. And once you tap on change password, you will successfully be able to change Facebook account password. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.